But wait, there's more. Oh, yes. Wow. Oh, so beautiful. All right. Oh, do not slam on me. C.J. Anderson interlock. All right, 9. Woo, single speed. Oh my God, this is amazing. Oof. Look at this little COP. The light switch literally does nothing. Guess it's just there for decoration. I love that old alarm. Let's test the stop switch. Perfect. We can e-stop it this way. This is beautiful. Oh my God. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go back up to 9. And my bag just hit the ball. Look how freaking short it is though. Oh my goodness. Oh good, there's nails sticking out of the ceiling. Lovely. Because fuck tall people, I guess. Look at this. Beautiful. All right. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my God. Time for an... Never mind. Stop before we can do an emergency stop. All right, let's send it up to 9. Beautiful. Oh. Oh, never mind. You got to push the button while it's closed. All right.